Hey guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. So what we're going to be doing today is trying to catch scammers in Adopt Me. So I think I've already got one in my house. So let's just go to her. So say hi. I'm just because she's a fan apparently. But fans aren't supposed to be scammers, are they? No, because the Cookie Squad, she said no. Okay, so I'm in Adopt Me and I think she's a scammer. Well, I'm gonna say, are you a fan? She also ask her if she's a fan. But if she says yes, I'll ask her what's my YouTube user. And then let's turn off all the lights to be mysterious. Yes, but I forgot your user on YT, sorry. Okay. How many subs do I have? Just gonna ask her, cause I don't know. I think I've got 35. Just gonna this is like interrogating her, but I don't remember. Do I have a TT? I'm gonna say, do I have a TT? Wait. Oh, she says yes. Well, that's one thing that she's got correct. Okay, I do have a TikTok. It's Peachy Pastels. No, Peachy CLXDY. I asked her why she's sad. Because we don't like it when Cookie Squad members are sad, guys. Wait, while we're waiting, I think I'm just gonna dress up. Change my animation. Wait for her. I like Bubbly. She said, because I didn't win anything and you gave away my dream pet. Oh. Guys, we're doing a turtle giveaway, so we're going to be giving away bubbles. Yeah. So how you win is comment down below your Roblox username. Comment down below what your Roblox username, and then you have to be subscribed. So you have to comment done if you've subscribed, hit the bell, and shared this video to all of your friends. And you have to comment down below done, and I'm in the Cookie Squad. And you also have to comment your Roblox username so everyone will know if we can give it to you. So I'll ask her if she wants to trust trade. Wait, I'm gonna say, do you like scammers? Just asked her this. Wait, why is she on my laptop? See, everyone has one. Has one? No. Good. Okay, so I'll call you back if you see anything suspicious. Okay guys, so she's just traded me. It looks like she's giving me a red panda. I don't know what I would offer for that. I'm just gonna see if she'll give it to me for free. She just gave it to me for free, guys. That's so kind of her. So she's definitely not a scammer. Just learned that. So yeah, that's really good. So I'm just gonna leave my family because she wasn't a scammer. I only put people in families if they are if I think they're scammers. So then now yeah. Wait, what is everyone saying in the chat? I don't know. Oh, there's a bat dragon here. So I'm gonna say I don't think there are any scammers, and that's really good, isn't it, me? Actually, I'm really happy that there's no scammers. So that means nobody's been scammed today in this server. Or I hope. It's just So it doesn't actually look like there's any scammers, but there might be some at the pool party, guys. You never know. What's people saying in the chat? Oh, I wonder who it is. Guys, it was a scam from a credit card, like somebody trying to get credit card details. I just hanged up because I knew it would be a scam. And I don't want people getting my credit card details, so me and Buzzy are at the pool party. So yeah. Oh, I'm getting a trade. What would people offer for Buzzy? Oh, a king bee! Oh my days! ID kit. Ugh, they've just done a wolf. Well, nah, I'm sorry. It's not really worth. Wait, someone says they're a neon collector. Let's see what they have to offer. Pengu making neon. Oh my days. Okay. So doesn't look like there's any scammers. This is really good, guys, because I don't like seeing people getting scammed, so I think I'm just going to see ABC for trust trade. Just gonna ask ABC for trust trade to see, and then they'll lead me somewhere, and then I'll see if anyone replies. Guys, I'm actually really happy because actually no one's actually just when I said ABC for trust trade, nobody said ABC. So that means nobody's wanting to scam me. So I'm actually happy with this server. So I'm just going to be doing some trades, seeing what people could offer, and would that be a fair trade? No. I'm looking for albino monkey, albino, 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 albino. Ooh, an albino monkey. I really want the albino. Here it is, just neon pink cat. I really want this trade, guys. If I get this, I'm gonna be so happy. Wait, I'm gonna ask her if she can add. Can you maybe add? I asked her, can you maybe add? Oh, she declined. Wait, I can't be right. Wait, someone's being nice here. Wait, that was the Pixie Plum girl who gave me the free red panda, guys, look. So, I'm happy with this server. Nobody's scammed. And if you want to join the server and hopefully improve what my dream pet is a fly mega dog, can everyone give me... I'll give this person an animal for free. Look, why not? What should I give her? I can give her a bandicoot. Wait, is that her use? Wait, let me just drop. Stop right. Let me... Great. Wait, yeah. Give item from backpack. I'll just give her bandicoot. I just said there. Wait, why did she take it out? Okay. I'll trade her an uncommon. Why not? I'm asking if she's okay. She hasn't replied, so. My name's not even Summer. It's Ari. Oh, that's a good trade if I get. I'll do a flex off. But a Neon King blue. Oh wait, she's good. Oh, I lost. Wow. You just to say here. Neil Robin. I would love to offer for that. I'd offer all of that for a Neon Robin. Because I'm a Neon Robin. I'm a Neon collector. That's a Neon Robin. Should I just give this girl all of these pets? Oh, if I get this trade, I'll be so happy. Come on, I'm over. Yay! That was a load of pets that I just missed out on, but oh, it's so cute. Let's name him Paramount Drop. Okay. So guys, that's it for the end of this video. Smash that like button and that subscribe button. And my dream pet is in this server. My dream pet, my dream pet, my dream pet. Neon Robin. Neon White Pink Cat. Neon Rat. Nah, please. I'll just say I gave you a bandicoot. Oh my days, this is my dream. It's like so cute, guys. If you can't agree, then I'm common. Okay, guys, if I get this trade, I'll be so happy. And then that's guys. So that's it for today. Smash that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.